So this portion of the tour guides is brought to you by...
All the weather outside is weather. Mother Nature, you're not fucking clever. Where the hell did I get my sweater? Let it go, fuck you ho, I hate snow.
I'm Bernie Sanders, and I approve this message.
Hey guys, what's up? What's up, my gangsters? Good morning, good morning. Tuesday morning after MLK. And that don't spell milk. That spells king. I'm ashamed of myself. I forgot Martin Luther King. I'm ashamed of myself. I'm sorry, Mr. King. I'm sorry. Anyways, Monday morning or Tuesday morning, and hey, you guys watch Pickle Boy? He stole my intro, man. He stole my music. He stole my music. He used it twice in his video. What the hell is that? Kid behind the camera, don't use my music. You can use it, it's okay. Not mine anyway. I think I'm gonna change it up. Yeah, I'm gonna change it up. I'm gonna do some other stuff with the intros and the outros, and I think they're too long. I think it takes a lot of time. 8 seconds should be it. I think I'm running like 20-something seconds. It's boring. And by the time you get to the intro, you guys are like, oh god, intro again. It should be short, sweet, and right to the point. Anyway, so let's get our day started.
Hey, what's going on, people? Yeah, it's cold out there. Oh my god. Gotta be like 23 degrees. But I'm dressed for the occasion. There you go. You know I am, right? I'm gonna let you hang so you don't know I am. Yeah, I feel better now because I was sick for a couple of days. Yeah, I was mentally ill. But anyway, I'm back, man, so I just want to say hi. Be good.
Hey, Jimmy. Oh, shit. I didn't know you were there. Yeah, I'm going shopping right now. I'm going shopping in a different area. Because the place that I go to, I don't know, man. I don't know if their prices are up. I don't know what the hell is going on over there, man. Just, I don't know. I got to shop somewhere else for a while. Because, I don't know, man. Just like, I'm wasting a lot of money there. I'm always buying the same shit. Maybe if I go somewhere else, I'm going to this place, City Market over here in Broadway. Broadway and 21st Street if you want to come. City Market. The subway over here. I've been here before. I've taken you here before. There's a diner behind me, Bel Air Diner. Bel Air. And I'm going to head into the store. And then when we get home, we're going to chat. We're going to chat for a while. Yeah, we'll chat. So I just got home from the store. My wifey just called, check to see if I was home. And what I bought, the boss. And I was kind of like happy that I went there because, she drinks this, it's called Blend. I forget who makes it. Dole makes it. Paradise Blend. And where I usually go is like $4.99. They had it on sale for $2.99 at this other place, Yeah, I spent $64 and I got 2 big bags of food, man. I would have spent over $100 at the other place. This is one bag here. It's full of everything in here. And there's the other bag full of everything, man. It's just like a lot of food for $64. So, anyway, I'm going to sit down and eat a little bit because I haven't eaten all day. I'm very, 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 very hungry. Later.
Hey, this is to my boy, Dame Drops. You ever watch Dame Drops? Every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, more and more and more. Super fish soup. But if you can't think it, baby, but I know you can. Hey, listen, man.
Yo, what's up, gangsters? Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's a beautiful Thursday morning. You're getting ready for the snow? Snow. Listen, I'm not going nowhere Saturday. It's going to snow Saturday, so for me, big deal. Just heading to the store again. Every day. Well, you know, you got to buy the necessities, the bread, the milk, the toilet paper. You know, Jesus, imagine on Saturday the snow, the blizzard is coming, you take a big dump and you got no fucking toilet paper. What are you gonna do? Use the bread? You know, you gotta buy these things. You know what I'm saying? My wife says for the kids, the bread, the milk, and the toilet paper. I don't believe that. You know, so I'm heading to the store to pick up a couple of more things, so this way I don't have to go out tomorrow. My wife's going to the dentist. She's got toothache. And tomorrow she's off, so she'll be home. So we'll chat.
What are you doing?
You were wrong about Big Rice. I am marriage material.
Sit. Let us know.
I really
Well, with the snow out there, can't give you no more. It's just like a blizzard. See my green screen? Well, you can see behind me. You got a lot of snow. Well, you can see behind me, there's a lot of snow. I can't do no more. That's it. That's a short vlog. It was, listen, and plus I was sick all week. I couldn't give you a good vlog, so it is what it is. But I want to put something up to say I'm alive. Joe's alive too. He's going through a little bit of, sickness like me. It's just the bronchitis, man, when you get old. You know what I'm saying? But we'll be back next week sometime when we're feeling a lot better. The snow's got me down. Now to unpile the snow from the car, that's going to be a bummer. It's going to be a few days, I don't know. I can't wait to move to Florida. Anyway, listen. Love you guys, appreciate you guys. Like, subscribe, favorite, whatever you gotta do, but do it. Okay, gangsters? Alright, man. We'll talk later. Joe and I, ciao for now. And don't get killed up in that snow. Stay off the streets. Be safe.